Hey guys, welcome back to our War of Wizards tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the Blizzard spell. So in order to draw the Blizzard, first you want to start off with
The minions have
these
spawned.
two lines. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go by doing that through both of them. That'll create the triangles. Once that's done,
Good.
you do
Perfect.
the 3 lines in the middle, one straight, and then one on X. If done properly, you'll have an SS Blizzard, which can either be used on troops or, which most people don't know, can be used on the enemy to deal mass amounts of damage. Anyway,
You
guys,
have killed the
see ya.
enemy.
Hope you enjoyed and found
Kill
this
reward.
tutorial useful.
Your team sends an
Goodbye.
extra